Hello, my name is Sheppard and I'm representing Leaf Academy, independent international boarding school based in Bratislava, in heart of Europe, in a country called Slovakia. Today I would like to show you our beautiful building. There is also our residence, which is only 20 minutes walk from our school. Welcome to our Leaf Academy building, where all the studies are happening. And I would like to point it out to the staircase, which is so beautiful and featuring this building, as this building was former Portugal embassy and it was built by a very famous entrepreneur. Leaf Academy is offering a program for 2 years and 4 years for students between 14 and 18 years old. We welcome all the students who would like to study entrepreneurial leadership, which is our flagship program, and character development, and also European studies. So why should you choose Leaf Academy? Because top 4 university acceptance, international environment, EL support, high school diploma, international, which is recognized all around the world, plus Schengen visa, which get you access to all Schengen countries. So how to apply and what is the admission process? Very easy. All we need is your application form. We will invite you to online readiness test. We will test you in your English and you will provide us latest school reports. Once you will be accepted, we will require 50% deposit. The school fee includes everything: studies, accommodation, healthcare, after-school clubs, but also weekend activities. I'm looking forward to meet you all, and if you need more information, please check our website or contact me personally. Thank you very much.